Well, hello out there, all my artsy crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name's Dee. I am the Messy Perfectionist. And today we are doing a full flip through and first impression of Kerby Rosanes' new adult coloring book, Dark Fairy Tales. Was very excited to receive this today. I did pre-order it basically as soon as we could and have been very much anticipating receiving this. After flipping through this, I was wondering why we didn't have this for Halloween, as it does have a very spooky feel to many of the pages, which I just love. His art, as always, is amazing, and I'm excited to be sharing this reveal with you all. I will go ahead and freeze frame and zoom in on some parts of the book so that you guys can always pause the video and read a little bit of the excerpts and of course the stories pertaining to the art within the book he has at the end. I will be flipping through that as well, of course, and I want to maybe inspire you as we're taking this flip through to play a little game. Can you guess the fairy tale that this piece of art is pertaining to? I actually thought this would be a lot easier. As I was flipping through, I realized I didn't know a lot of these, and I'd flip to the other side and be like, okay, I need to know what story this is from. Oh, it's that one. Some I have never heard of, so that was kind of interesting too. So make sure you guys do drop me a comment down below, either what is your favorite page that you've seen in the book, or were there any images that stumped you, like you couldn't place the fairy tale? Like I said, there was quite a few. Once I would read the excerpt, I was like, okay, I get it now, but I was happily surprised by many of them and his dark, sinister take on some of these grim fairy tales that most of us are familiar with, a lot of them. I hope you do enjoy, and I will be talking a little bit maybe here and there throughout the rest of the video, but it'll mostly be a silent flip through. Thank you all so much for your support and watching. I appreciate you all so much, and here we go. I would say for me, this was the very first one that was very recognizable. Of course, we have Peter Pan here and throwing Captain Hook into the mouth. But a lot of these, like I said, all the ones previously flipped through already, I had a really hard time placing, which is fun. And I love that. I love the mystery of it. You guys are going to see me flattening this book out a lot throughout the video. I'm, of course, trying to break the spine so that I can color in these double pictures to the best of their possibility. I think what I also really love about this book is that when you are flipping through, you really feel like you are going through a storybook. Some of the stories continue on to the next page, and you can kind of see the evolution of it within the art. Of course, this is Red Riding Hood is my best guess. And then we flip to the next page, and it continues on as Little Red Riding Hood has defeated the wolf and is now wearing his head. This is the piece of art that is on the cover, and I was very excited about when I saw him previewing some of this art on Instagram. This is one I am absolutely excited about coloring and will probably be my first page that I do work on. It is a continuation of Sleeping Beauty's story, I believe, from the previous pages, which I just love. I think it's beautiful. You guys see me editing a lot in this video. It's because I'm doing this right here to most of the pages. Like I mentioned before, breaking the spine so that I can use the book more efficiently. And I just kind of edited a lot of that out because I'm doing so much of it throughout the video and wanted to shorten it, of course, for you so you can just see the art. Here's another one I absolutely fell in love with, a spooky Cinderella type setting. I wish this book came out for Halloween because it would have been absolutely perfect for spooky season, in my opinion. I think this is another one of my favorite. It's a continuation of the previous Alice in Wonderland falling down the rabbit hole. I love the Mad Hatter scene with them on top. I just think it is such a cool image. So here we are at the end of the book and to the section which shares about the fairy tales in the artwork. I will go ahead and try to zoom in where I can and freeze the video. So if you guys want to take a pause and read about the stories, hopefully you can do so and that the writing is legible in the video. Let me know down below what you thought of this book, and also were you stumped by some of these images as much as I was, or did you figure out what everyone was without cheating, skipping to the end and reading about this? Thank you all again so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much and your time. Until the next time, remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Take some time for yourself and have a beautiful rest of your day. Thanks again for watching. Bye.